Kalamaji Alex, Rose Daniel.
After listening to the submissions of both counsels for the applicant and respondent, this court has deliberated on this application and finds as follows. 1. That the applicants have a right to apply for bail. 2. That the offense is bailable. 3. That the sureties presented were substantial. 4. That applicants have spent long on remand. In the result, this court finds merit in the application and hereby grants bail to the applicants on the following terms. 1. The applicant should not go beyond the limits of Kampala and Wakiso district without court's permission. 2. The applicant should report to this court twice a month after every 14 days on Wednesdays. 3. Each of the applicants are bound to 20 million shillings, not cash. 4. Each of the sureties presented is bound to 50 million shillings, not cash. 5. The applicants should report to this court as and when required. Breach of any of the above terms will lead to automatic cancellation of bail. We so rule, done at Makindi, this 14th day of June 2021, under my hand and seal of this court.
Once these people are released, it's a bit relieving because we've been having a lot of pressure from their families. Some of their parents are sick, others, their children are sick. So they have so many family responsibilities. Their children have not been going to school, so many problems, as you can imagine. But as a party, we've been trying to help them, help their families. But of course, we cannot replace what their families can do for them.